with the Striker 3, let's load the ink ribbon. So each ink ribbon is 984 feet. That's going to last you 10 rolls of stickers. So you're not going to change the ink ribbon that often, but that's okay. So these spindles are really helpful because they have an L and an R to help you with inserting it into the Striker 3. So you put the spindle into the new ink ribbon like this, and now it's time for us to put them into the printer. To do that, we're going to open up the clamshell of the printer, and then we're also going to press this green button. But what we can do is put the empty ink ribbon spindle in right now. So we use the L and the R. It kind of works kind of like a battery. There's one side that has a spring. So we'll put the spring side in first and then slide the other one into the green rolling side. We'll press that green button to then, right here, where we're going to install the new ink ribbon. What we want to do is we want to make sure that looking at the green top, rather than the side that goes to the spring, that the ink ribbon is going counterclockwise. And so we're going to insert it into the right, and then we'll hear it click, and it will slide right in. Then from here, the new ink ribbon has an adhesive that it's going to go over the print head, and then you'll just tape it to the take-up core on the top. From there, we'll just keep rolling it until you see that it is taut and smooth and the black is showing. Then we want to make sure that both sides click for the printer, and then the ink is installed.